Hey there, I'm Sanjay and I'm going to talk about the Drayton Wiser Smart Heating Kit today. Comes with a wireless thermostat, two smart TRVs and a hub that goes onto the existing timer. So let's go on to it. This is an alternative to the Evo Home and the Tadao, which also give smart TRVs. That's so you can control each individual room if you wanted to. So what comes in the kit? So we open the box, we have the instruction manuals, a very nice little wireless thermostat, two smart TRVs, and the main controller which replaces the timer that you currently have on your boiler, and on the back is the standard faceplate that you can mount this onto, otherwise you need to replace your current one and mount this on. And it also comes with batteries and some adapters to help you put it onto your existing TRVs. So I'll be looking into how to install that later. So first impressions, they seem quite good, and I'll show you a close-up of everything. Just going to do a close-up of some of the items. So this is the smart TRV. This is the smart TRV. It's good, it's compact, it's not big, it's pretty much the same as a normal TRV, and yeah, they're well built, and they are, if you can open it, battery powered by two AA batteries. This is the wireless thermostat. It can be wall mounted, go anywhere, and it's battery powered as well. So it can't replace your existing wired thermostat, but at least this way you can put it anywhere you want to. This is the hub that goes and replaces your existing timer. It's got your setup option, not sure what that does yet. It's got a hot water button to switch on your hot water and a heating option to switch on your heating. And here's the standard faceplate on the back. Pretty normal. Not sure if that'll focus. And that's what I'm going to try and install. Right, so I've switched off the mains and I've taken the screws off at the bottom. There were two. And so now I can remove this. And straight away you can see that that faceplate is different from this one. The original one is slightly too large, and that's because the original one has a wide input for the thermostat that's normally in the hallway. This faceplate does not have it, so I'm going to have to take this off and replace it with this one. So that's going to be quite fun. And then once that's done, this can go on top. So that shouldn't be too hard. All I've got to do is match up the wiring diagram as stated on the original Danfoss to the wiring diagram for this one, which is in the manual. Okay, so that's the faceplate now added. I'm just going to tighten it up, screw it in, and then put on the new Drayton hub. Right, so that's it all installed, switched it on. Had to change the wiring a couple of times. I'm not sure if I got it wrong, but it all works now. It seems to switch on the hot water and heating as required, and I'll go through the main thermostat in a bit. Right, so I'm just going to fit one of these TRVs. So it's paired up, so it's now telling me to put on the adapter. So that would be this item. So this black adapter goes on top, this ring then screws down, that's nice and tight, and then this thermostat apparently just screws on. Twist the cap in the minus 1, 2. So that's now calibrating. It's a little loud. Right, after testing these TRVs, I have noticed they are a little loud, so when you do request for heat, the motor does kick in, but you can actually hear it, and it's a little loud. It's a bit worrying. I'll see how the kids get on with that, because that could wake a child up, I guess. Let's try that again. So I'm not sure how that compares to the other systems, but for me personally, that's quite loud.